Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best regulated CFD Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. CFD trading is defined as the buying and selling of CFDs, CFD meaning contract for difference. CFDs are a derivative product because they enable you to speculate on financial markets such as Forex, shares, indices, and commodities without having to take ownership of the underlying asset. Instead, when you trade a CFD, you are agreeing to exchange the difference in price of an asset from the point at which the contract is opened to when it's closed. One of the main benefits of CFD trading is that you can speculate on price movements in either direction, with the profit or loss you make dependent on the extent to which your forecast is correct. In this list, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best regulated CFD brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online, fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kieve, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and Meta Trader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Live FX, current Swiss bank, and gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general, Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides an educational learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. At number 4 is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Their featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features training courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 3 is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Android, iOS, and Windows operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. An unlimited demo account is also available, allowing you to practice trading for as long as you need. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into a variety of educational topics such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with Vantage FX. At number 2 is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, while offering sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which includes popular trading strategies and videos if you are looking for any additional education with Plus 500. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best regulated CFD Forex brokers is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries around the world and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best regulated CFD Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.